ION Science is a progressive, forward-thinking company. Our vision is to protect lives and preserve the environment. Our mission is to be the leader in gas sensing technology, with relationships built on trust, pioneering products, responsiveness and exceptional customer service. Our values are to have fun, embrace change, be respectful, be responsive, be committed, and to challenge the status quo. We celebrate our achievements and success. We put people first. We encourage a fun working environment. We are dedicated to supporting all team members to fulfill their potential. Effective teamwork and collaboration drives our success. We are responsive to our colleagues. We are focused on delivering exceptional customer service, and we set high standards and ambitious goals. ION Science designs and manufactures gas detection instruments and sensors, with our headquarters based in Cambridge, UK, and ION offices and a network of distributors located around the globe, supporting a wide range of industries worldwide. Founded in 1989, we are the world's largest manufacturer of photoionization detection sensors, with our heritage and culture encouraging innovation and dedication to develop products that protect lives and preserve the environment. Our talented people, teamwork and collaboration are vital to our ongoing success. We build lasting relationships with our customers, partners and suppliers based on trust. We listen to our customers, are responsive and understand their needs. We strive to deliver exceptional customer service and the best lead times on the market. We are ION Science, recognised as a world leader, working closely with industry and technology leaders to develop pioneering products for the future. ION Science, pioneering gas sensing technology.